Welcome back to Growth Finance. Imagine if you could convert your endless hours of watching videos into a steady stream of income. Today is your lucky day. We're thrilled to share an exciting new method that has the potential to help you earn up to $600 a day, simply by doing something you probably do every day, watching YouTube videos. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you it's a growing trend in the digital age? More and more people are making money online, and I'm excited to share with you how you can join them. This video isn't just a guide. It's your ticket to discovering a beginner-friendly strategy with no upfront investment required, accessible from anywhere in the world. Intrigued? Stick around to learn all the details and start turning your screen time into earnings. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to turn on that notification bell so you won't miss any guide about making money online. This way, you'll be able to maximize how you earn money. Now imagine this. Your mobile phone plus a steady internet connection equals a reliable stream of income. Curious? Picture this. Every minute spent watching YouTube videos could be translating into real money right in your pocket. It's a simple yet powerful way to turn your screen time into earnings without any investment or special skills. Ready to unlock this opportunity and start earning effortlessly? Keep watching to find out how you can get started today. You don't need to be tech-savvy or have a lot of experience to succeed online. With the right mindset and strategy, anyone can make money online, regardless of their background. Of course, making money online involves effort, patience, and persistence. It's not a quick fix for all your financial problems, but it's a genuine way to earn a living if you're committed. Many people dismiss online money-making opportunities as scams or get-rich-quick schemes. But the truth is that there are real ways to earn a living online. It's not about luck, it's about having the right approach. There's also a misconception that making money online requires extensive technical knowledge or superhuman effort, but that's not the case. Before we continue, most viewers who watch my channel aren't subscribed, so if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, drop a comment with your age and location. It really helps me understand where you're tuning in from and allows me to create content that's more relevant to you. The moment you've been waiting for is here. Here's the platform that can turn that vision into reality: gg2u.org. This website is your key to unlocking a steady income stream, all by watching YouTube videos. gg2u.org offers a straightforward and accessible way to earn money online, transforming your time spent on YouTube into a rewarding financial opportunity. With gg2u.org, you can turn casual video watching into a profitable endeavor, making it easier than ever to start earning from the comfort of your own home. Here's how it works. gg2u.org is a free platform where you can earn money by watching videos, taking surveys, playing games, and more. The best part? No upfront investment is required. You can start earning right away and cash out easily once you've accumulated enough points. Just sign up, and you'll even receive a $1 bonus to kickstart your earnings. Once you've signed up, you'll discover a variety of ways to earn money on gg2u.org. But today, let's focus on one of the most exciting options: watching videos. gg2u.org transforms your time spent on YouTube into cash, offering a straightforward and enjoyable way to earn money from the comfort of your home. The platform boasts a diverse selection of video categories to match your interests, including food, music, viral content, and gaming, among others. Whether you're passionate about culinary creations, the latest chart-topping hits, trending viral clips, or immersive gaming experiences, gg2u.org has something for everyone. Explore different video categories and find what resonates with you. As you engage with various types of content, you'll accumulate points that translate into real money. The more videos you watch, the more points you earn, and the more you can cash out. Each category features a variety of content, ensuring that your earning experience remains both enjoyable and rewarding. Here's a pro tip to supercharge your earnings. To maximize your income, leverage multiple devices or browser tabs to watch videos simultaneously. This strategy allows you to increase your earnings significantly without needing to watch every video in real time. Simply set up your old phones, tablets, or even spare laptops to run multiple video streams at once. Additionally, consider using this approach strategically. Choose videos from different categories or content types to keep your engagement varied and maximize your earning potential. For example, you can have one device watching food videos, another on music, and a third on gaming. This not only boosts your earnings, but also keeps your viewing experience enjoyable and diverse. Furthermore, make sure to keep your devices and tabs organized to avoid any confusion. You might want to use a spreadsheet or notes app to track which devices are streaming which categories. This organization will help you manage your activities efficiently and ensure you're always making the most out of every opportunity. By optimizing your setup, you can capitalize on the platform's full potential and watch your earnings grow faster. So, gather your devices and start maximizing your income today. In addition, don't forget to turn off your ad blocker while using the site, as watching ads is part of how you earn video points. Also, make sure to join Pixel Point for additional rewards. Link your Pixel Point account with your GG2U account to earn more points and convert them into cash more effectively. Ready to transform your screen time into cash? If you're excited about the idea of earning money just by watching YouTube videos, there's no better time to start than now. Visit gg2u.org to dive into this fantastic opportunity. Signing up is easy and opens up a world of possibilities for turning your video watching habits into a steady income stream. Remember, the more videos you watch, the more you can earn. Each video you engage with brings you closer to a higher income. Start watching today to maximize your earnings and fully take advantage of this opportunity. By staying consistent and exploring different video categories, you can significantly boost your income potential. Don't miss out on the chance to turn your screen time into a valuable source of cash. I've personally tested this method and seen impressive results. By incorporating multiple devices into your routine, you can truly amplify your earnings. The results speak for themselves, and I'm confident that you can achieve similar success with this approach. It's a simple adjustment that can make a significant difference in your income. Embrace this opportunity with enthusiasm and a positive outlook. Success is within your reach, and with the right mindset, the possibilities are endless. Think of each device and tab as a tool in your financial toolkit, working together to build a steady income stream. The more proactive and organized you are, the more you'll see your efforts pay off. Remember, every step you take towards optimizing your setup is a step towards financial growth. The power of this strategy lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. Stay motivated, be consistent, and watch as your daily video watching habit transforms into a rewarding income source. Your dedication and strategic approach will undoubtedly lead to impressive results, making your journey towards financial success not only achievable, but also highly gratifying. Hopefully, you'll give this a try and experience the benefits for yourself. The path to financial growth is paved with small, strategic actions, and this method is a perfect example of how a bit of creativity and effort can lead to impressive rewards. Every step you take toward optimizing your setup brings you closer to your financial goals. So, stay motivated and committed. The journey might seem simple, but the rewards can be substantial. With a bit of dedication and a positive attitude, you can transform your screen time into a valuable source of income. Give it a go and watch as your daily routine becomes a powerful asset in achieving your financial dreams. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in to Growth Finance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe with notifications enabled to stay updated with our latest guides on financial growth. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. Until next time, happy earning, and I'll catch you in the next video.